All right, guys, day 18 of the 100 Days of LeetCode. We got another dynamic programming problem for you today. If you've been enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe. We got another 82 days after today. So without further ado, let's get right to the question. So, given an integer array nums, find a contiguous non-empty subarray within the array that has the largest product and return the product. The test cases are generated so that the answer will fit in a 32-bit integer. A subarray is a contiguous subsequence of the array. So here, the largest product is 6 because 2 and 3 is a subarray with the largest product, because anytime you get -2, it just goes negative. Now that's one of the tricky things about this question is, of course, two negatives multiplied together give you a positive number. So we have to account for that in our solution, and we'll show you how to do that. This example here, of course, it's 0 because you need to have a subarray with a length greater than 1, and you have 0 in there. So anything multiplied by 0 is just going to give you 0. So that's that. Now, to solve this problem, we need to keep track of the maximum value of all the previous numbers, but we also need to keep track of the minimum value, because the minimum very easily can become a very large number if it's multiplied by a negative number, correct? So what we're going to do to start off is we're just going to create two variables. We'll call it the min, the max, and we'll just say they're equal to 1 and 1. And our answer for right now is simply going to be the first number of the array. So now we want to iterate through the entire array and update basically these three variables each time. So if we do for I and nums, the first thing that we need to do is we need to update the min and the max. So basically this is going to be our logic. We're going to say the min is equal to the min of I times the min, or I times the max. And again, because we might have a negative number, either any of these three things could be the minimum in theory, right? We want to say the max equals max of the same three values. But there's a problem here, of course, because the min is going to be updated before that. So we can either assign them at the same time, or we can just do something like this. We can say curs for currents is equal to I times the min, I times the max. So we're creating a tuple here, and we can simply say the min is equal to the min of curs, the max is equal to the max of curs. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. And now our answer is simply going to be the maximum of the existing answer, or the max. And then we're going to return answer. And that should be it. And there you go. So that's how we solve LeetCode problem number 152, maximum product subarray. You know, not too difficult. I mean, I think if you haven't solved a problem like this before, it can seem a little difficult, but anyway, we got another 82 days, like I said. So if you enjoyed this video, we'll see you tomorrow.